I told them all what I saw that dreadful day. They gave me the cat for it. For shouting at the captain. I can take a lash. I deserve that, and more. But how could I show what I saw? If I was a man of letters, many words could not prove it. But none will say it's true. There's one that knows, though he's silent. I am without duty now. A crazy man. Sergeant calls me Paper Skull. We should not go back to that place. Not ever. We was not to be there long at the cove. Just a day to wood and water and to fish. Shoot some birds. Sergeant ordered me to go with Mr. Banks and my good friend Daniel Whitby on the morrow.
Blakely, Whitby, keep an eye out for the Parson Bird. Wears a distinctive white ruffle at its throat. Get a clean-shot bird for Mr. Parkinson and any others for the table.
Mr. Banks, them fat pigeons make for more supper. Perhaps I could join Toby and the other Marines.
It's too high. What's this? Can you shoot?
He shot himself with his own pistol.
Lord above.
Sir, this man sunk a brown cow last night. He won't hit a tree in the forest.
So I have a lame Marine and a midshipman drunkard who claims to be a marksman. Just bag the Parson Birds.
Just remember which end of the gun to point.
You shut your all, Sam. My aim is true, God's truth.
Then my rum for the bird. God's truth.
Listen. Song of the Parson Bird. There, up ahead a little. Whitby, Whitby. There.
Noisy little bastard.
Aye, this'll shut it up.
You beefhead.
Mr. Banks, what bird made that sound?
What sound?
It was a...
I have some botanicals to collect. Carry on a while without me. I do expect you to crack shots. Can bring back a bird before completely running out of shot.
I'll find that bird and I'll kill it for you and Mr. Parkinson.
Only if you're not aiming at it.
Come along.
see who's gonna go now. We had birdshot to spare, but not one bear in our bags. We were compelled, against all fair reasoning, to press forward.
What creature is that?
What did you shoot? Norton? It was Norton. I shot the wind.
We don't belong here.
Whatever the enchantment that moved us to venture further, we did not resist. Any man with his senses would have made haste to return. Then the ground rose ahead and we could go no further. That infernal bird was there, cursing and laughing at our luck.
I can't.
Don't be a lopcock. Come on, Dan.
That day, and all the next, the Marines looked for Dan. In vain, I said. I got more lashing for that. I think Tooby believed me, but I was told to speak no more of it by the sergeant. Mr. Banks said it was wrote. Midshipman Daniel Whitby was lost at sea. I'm bound to say on God's oath, you are the only other soul that knows the truth.